Welcome back to the channel. Today we are getting our hands dirty. We'll be installing Flex Z coilovers, installing inner tie rods, upgrading to PCI camber arms, and last but not least, test fitting the TE37s. So stay tuned and enjoy today's episode.
All right, a little bit of progress here. We got the T coils in, tie rod ends with the inner tie rods. And I don't know if anybody of y'all are like this, but I'm about that while you're there method. So while I'm here, I'm just gonna roll the fenders. Back to it. Yo, so I never did tie rods before, but comment down below. Is this normal? That's a floppy one. Not only that, but this guy, you can really easily move this thing. No wonder that was a lot of shaking my steering wheel. But yeah, this, no. Here's a quick before. I'm only rolling to about right there. Alright, and here's a quick little after the roll. I think I did a pretty damn good job. No cracks, nothing like that. Nice and folded in. So I'm also installing that Zero Fighter tow hook. Basically, you can reach the bolts directly down from here. There's 3, and then tow hook comes right out. Factory tow hook is super bent, and it's actually not really helpful to have it down here because then you can really pull off the bumper. So I'm swapping that out with this, and it will bolt up exactly where the stock one was, and it'll actually poke out a little more. Pro move, if you don't want to scratch stuff up, wrap it up. Alright, so here we are. Got the Zero Fighter tow hook on. Seems pretty sick. Fits really well. You just got to move over the radiator this side, undo your radiator support. Just a bolt-in affair. Takes the same mounting location as your original factory tow hook, but if yours is bent like mine, it does no good. So as far as my lug nuts go, because you always gotta tighten your nuts, I'm actually going with 949 Racing, mainly because they're really affordable. They've held up very well with all my track activities, and they're beefy. Supposedly they can take a impact wrench to them, but I personally don't do that. But they are aluminum, billet aluminum with a 60-degree conical seat. But yeah, this will be my lug nut of choice for the Civic. fit is pretty good. Got plenty of clearance still. I'm good, man. I can probably go lower too. Thank you all so much for tuning in to Project EK episode number 2. Stay tuned for more and look out for episode number 3. Peace out.